Hello, welcome back to the channel. Now, today will hopefully be a good day because my plan of it is to start getting some work done on the pan so we can get it back on the road. If you missed the last video, basically the swing arm is starting to rot away and it's unusable, it's unsafe to be on the road. So I've got to strip it down and do something so we can get on with making this charity trip the best charity trip in the world. So, ladies and gentlemen, let's cue the intro and crack on sorting out this bike. Okay, so plan A, as always rope someone in to do all the hard work for you. And this is exactly how you do it. Sidekick. Yeah. Well, I'm just about to start work on the pan. I'm going to start stripping off the swing arm off the back of it. And I'm going to do a good job of it, all right? What do you mean? What? Take it to a professional? I am a professional. I've got duct tape and blue tack. Yeah. No, I'm getting on with it. I'll speak to you in a bit. Bye-bye. Okay, so it's really cold outside, but the plan of it is strip off the panniers, get the exhaust off, get the swing arm off, and there's a tool and stuff I need to get to do that. But I just want to crack on with it. So I've got the tools over there, the bike here, and all I've got to do is start going with it. But I've got to figure out how to get these off because I don't think that the actual top box or the side panels have been off in years at all. That ain't coming off. Yeah, that's knackered. Hey up. I'm not making that much noise. What are you doing here?
What are you doing?
I'm going to strip down the swing arm, like I said.
Whoa. Told you, not to that. You're not professional, you can't do this.
I'm a qualified mechanic.
Yeah, but you can't do this.
No, well, I'm going to try. Well, then again, you're here. I tell you what I'll do.
What?
I'll go get you a beer.
Go on then. I'll be down.
Top man. There you go, mate. All you need to become an excellent mechanic.
Yeah, a couple of these and we'll be...
Yeah, it doesn't matter if things start falling off after a couple of beers.
We're pulling them off.
Yeah, you just smash them off and, like I said, duct tape it on.
Yeah, awesome. Let's get on.
Yeah, let's get this on. This is going to be a big job. So sidekick,
yes, mate.
I whipped mine off in about 5 seconds. Taking a bit longer, isn't you? Hard work, isn't it? Is that because you ran out of beer?
I am running low on beer, actually.
Yeah. That'll be why then.
Slow.
So what we're going to do is we're going to whip the exhaust off. We're going to have a proper visual inspection. Figure out if we can possibly weld this without having to take the entire swing arm off. That would be a dream plan for us.
Yeah, and I know a lot of people are going to say, well, you should take it off and do it properly. And yeah, we should do, but if the hole's not too bad and it saves us a whole load of work and we can patch it up without taking it off, then, and it's only your bike, so that's what we'll do.
So if it was your bike, you'd take it off, inspect it, have it shot blasted and weld it properly is what you're trying to say?
Yeah, of course I would.
Because it's mine, just stick a few dots of weld on, tell me it's safe and put me out on the road?
Yeah, pretty much, yeah.
Yeah. I've met people like you before.
But you know what happens when I start taking things apart?
Well, that's the reason why I gave you a call, just because of this exact thing. I know that you'll come along and you'll do what we like to call an 11.1 job out of 10 compared to my 11. Do I actually just say that? No, you'll do a rubbish job and I'll do an absolutely awesome job. But anyway, what we're going to do is we're going to whip these off and we're going to have a proper visual inspection. So hopefully it won't be as bad as it might be. You did it! Woohoo! Right, so we've got the wheel off.
Yeah. So there's our first hole.
Yeah.
But that is weird because everything around it is solid.
Oh, that's good, isn't it?
You'd almost think that was supposed to be there because that's not rotten. Oh, there we go, look. But it's not bad, that's not. It's not rotten.
Underneath though, just under
right, let's have a look.
If you get down low, I don't want to cuddle you though. If you get right underneath, under there, that's the other one, isn't it?
We've got a wide brush.
Yeah, I use it for cleaning my teeth.
Yeah,
So that shine.
I think you should go onto the angle grinder, really. It's not. It is. Yeah.
What kind do you want?
Just something we can give it a rub with.
A little one or a big one?
Don't mind. Little one. Any will do.
Try that one to begin with.
That's for you cleaning your barbecue.
Don't waste anything, man.
Do you know what? That is not as bad as I thought it was in the pictures.
Is it not?
No. Cut a small patch out. And just weld a couple of patches over it, and that I don't know that we'd necessarily cut that out. We'd tidy it up a bit, treat it all, and stick a patch over it.
That's what we can see, though. Everything else looks alright to be fair.
It's not. I mean, we can go for all the hassle of taking it off if you want, but I don't think
it looks that bad anywhere else. I think that is it.
And it's not rotten. It's not like you're prodding it and it's all rotten round it. I mean, we could just cut some of that out, treat it all, and we'll stick a patch on round it and round there. It's not, like I say, it's not rotten. It's not like there's big chunks of it falling out.
That sounds like the plan then. So, just to sum it up, what we've basically found is we don't believe it's that bad, and we're hoping between us we'll be able to clean it up, get it sorted, and weld it. Now, the sidekick Darren, he knows an expert welder. If he's available, hopefully we can get him to do it. If not, I have said I will do an 11 out of 10 job, put some blue tack in, some duct tape around, and put some sparks around it. No, perfect weld. The sidekick wants to do it. So the most important thing of it is it doesn't look that bad. We've measured the discs on the front. They are well too low, so we've ordered some more discs for it. But everything is looking good. We reckon we can hopefully get this back on the road within a couple of weeks, what means we can move on with the next step. That's super important. But the most important thing of all is why we are working hard sorting out this bike. The reason why we're doing the charity trip where we drive around the UK like a compass. And that's getting more and more interesting, and more stuff's happening with that, and more people are coming up that want to help the charity trip out. We've got some big announcements coming up with that. But anyway, the most important thing of it is why we're doing it is to raise money for the Rainbow Trust Children's Charity, where they support the families with children that are seriously ill or terminally ill, and we're trying our absolute best to keep that total going. So please click the donate button, donate, be the next person to put the total up, because we are truffle shuffling in the background every time that total goes up. So please donate. But fingers crossed, in 2 weeks, we're going to get this bike safe on the road and then be able to do a proper reveal of what the sidekick's bought, because he still hasn't told me, but he told me it's better than what I've got. So that's coming up in the future.
You've been hiding in the shadows way too long. You always thought that you were weak, but babe, you're wrong. Yeah, you better step into the light, just give it a try. Think that it's time you let that spark out. You've been hiding in the shadows way too long.